Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Basecamp for team tasks and milestones, full guide step by step clearly. To activate Basecamp for team tasks and milestones, begin by visiting the Basecamp website. Log into your Basecamp account using your credentials. If you don't have an account, click on the sign up button to create a new one. Once logged in, navigate to the project where you want to activate tasks and milestones. On the project dashboard, locate the left sidebar. Click on the To-Do section to open the task management interface. To create a new task, click on the Add a To-Do list button. Name your to-do list and hit the Create button to proceed. Now, within the to-do list, click on the Add a To-Do item field. Enter the details of the task you want to assign to your team. Assign the task to the relevant team members by clicking the Assign to option. Select the team members from the drop-down list who should be responsible for this task. To set a due date, click on the calendar icon next to the task and choose the deadline. After entering all the details, click the Add to Do button to save the task. Now, to set a milestone, return to the project dashboard. Locate the Milestones section in the left sidebar. Click on the Add a Milestone button. Enter the milestone title and set the target completion date. Click the Create Milestone button to finalize the milestone setup. To connect tasks to the milestone, go back to the To-Do section. Identify the tasks you want to associate with the milestone. Click on the task, then select the option to link it to the milestone. This ensures that everyone knows which tasks contribute to reaching that milestone. Regularly check the Overview section to monitor task completion and milestone progress. Use the comments section within tasks for ongoing discussions and updates among team members. Encourage your team to check their assigned tasks frequently for updated information. By following these steps, your team can effectively use Basecamp for managing tasks and achieving milestones. Now, you're all set to optimize your workflow with Basecamp. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.